My name is Randy Welch. I'm getting a lot of questions on alfalfa winter injury and the recent snowfall that occurred in some of the Midwest overnight. So I want to talk to you a little bit about winter hardiness of alfalfa. Remember that winter hardiness of alfalfa is a process, it's not an event. So alfalfa goes into dormancy in the fall over a period of time, and then it comes out of dormancy over a few days in the spring. So it's about a 30-day process. The plants are very winter hardy as they come out of dormancy. As I show you these plants are very winter hardy. They'll tolerate a lot of cold, a lot of snow cover. At this time of the year, these plants will tolerate a fair amount of cold temperatures before they'll actually show any injury. So the sugar content or the content inside of these cells remain fairly high even though the temperatures are fairly cold. It's like an antifreeze inside the plant that's coming out of this plant, or in the cell tissue actually contains this antifreeze. The antifreeze will help protect those plants throughout a period of time as this dormancy process starts to decline over the next month or so. So these plants are just fine. There's not going to be any significant injury. Now remember, if the stand was weak going into the fall, it hadn't been fertilized or been packed down or been damaged during the fall period, or had been really wet, those stands, my old saying is, if it was bad last year, it's not going to be any better this spring. So don't expect good things for a stand that was potentially damaged from lack of management last fall. For winter injury though, the plants are very resilient. They'll tolerate a lot of cold and a lot of temperature. Remember, at the soil level, these plants are basically buffered by the soil temperature. So cold soil, if we had a thermometer in the ground right now, soil temperature is still probably in the mid-30s right now. So the soil temperature is cool, and it basically refrigerates those plants, and they come out of dormancy very slowly over the next few days.
If you have questions, call me.
If you have any questions, give me a call, 608-206-3859, or rcwelch@landolakes.com. Thank you.